Alright people, welcome back to the channel. Me there, go link me, Virgin, Chef Wilmot, you see me, and we decided to say, what do video today, you see me. So right now, I'm at the shop. Yeah, so I buy some coal and all that. Cause I don't know food vibe outdoor cooking all the way, you see me. Yeah man, buy some coal and sardine and everything there. So if I did a long time, thanks for the support, continue supporting. If I just a forward, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. And yeah man, so guys, like, share and subscribe. Yeah, so follow me IG, Jeff876. Sir! And yes, the adventure, so just support the thing, you see me? So if you want to keep up to date on what going on, just follow me IG because I post a snippet of everything I'm going to do before I actually post. So just follow me IG, link to the page them down below in the description. So just scroll down, click it and give me a follow, you see me? Yeah. So about everything I want to make the party.
Oh, yeah.
And some coal. The bag here.
Which one?
One for 250. Yeah man. Like the video guys, press like.
Here you go.
Yeah, sardine.
I don't know if you like it, I want 161.
Yeah man, you see me.
I like it, you know.
You don't really matter to me.
Lovely. You know sardines is perfect to dear. And you want cup sitting in there, like.
Pour on a flour. One Pepsi and one curry.
You know, too long put it back in like this, then that way they look.
Mm-hmm.
I'll never dip on it.
Then say lard butter.
Yeah, I'll never dip on it. Okay. Let me put two in a freezer, feel it.
Yeah man, good man.
And then drinks a king lovely splash. Put two in a freezer. Is it one curry?
Yeah, and baking powder. Not that I know.
You know have enough change around this one.
Hmm?
You don't have enough change around this one.
How much?
This
Sorry, see, if you cool, 250 if you cool.
on this two. This
350, yeah.
160.
Alright, thanks. Alright people, so I run all back down for the base, you see me? Yeah, so that's everything I want. Sardine, curry, figure the patty, the yellow flavor, the yellow color, I should say. Yeah, so the curry for give flavor, you know. You have to put baking powder in it because they're tough, but they're soft. Yeah, so let's go. It's the next type of show now, you can cook on them thing there. Oh, the light in the sun, the clear and the sun, yeah. Anyway, so I'm checking up on what we do now when time reach down on the base, you see me? So in the meantime, I can just like the video if you like it and leave a comment. So soon forward. Alright people, so we do back pan, chef with black. See back at your coal now. So first thing I do, I get your coal. And do you need the flour?
Yeah, we have to do
Some say before, I will do some sardine patty, as you see. I tie it, you see me? One thing don't look at me in a fall, but the good thing about it, now rain can't whip you up under here, so. So second step, mix the flour. See if it can be tasty as juicy beef.
Yeah.
You see the curry, you get the color. So in the home, when you can try something new, man, and after a party, you can make from the seller for that. So buy. People them life here, me like, you see me, the natural life. Yeah, man. Me like just eat and go outside and can pick a jelly and drink or pick two fruit, whether guava or cherry or whatever, and make juice, you see me? Yeah, man. Them life there, nice, nice, nice. And if you buy or want so much things, you see me? Can chop a cane, you know, pick two jelly and them thing there. But I really need to pack back some cane though, because right now, I have no cane to myself. So, see if the chef can beat tasty or juicy beef. Yeah, man. Because I never actually eat this before, the homemade patty. So I see what I go on. When it's nice to make the tree, see it tall. Look, very, very tall. Yeah, see going there. See? Right now this almost tall like me. So this one time them here beer, you bear some months of tomato, like my face. You don't know, here in country I plant little stuff. Yeah, so this is a sorrel tree. Yeah. So I plant little something, you know? Yeah, so you don't know, say we have sorry for Christmas and all that. This isn't much still, but you don't know, man. I told you so.
I'm dead.
Yeah, can't come be drink what we do this.
Yeah. Have you seen tree?
No man, if I see look a green tree over so.
Oh.
Even it's a big still.
Yeah, jelly
And patty.
yeah.
Yeah, that people so. I check him out one time. I do a jelly tree. So when I come back, he must done make a flower. So I soon child back there.
Yeah.
Who know them flowers there? Them flowers there only bloom when the Christmas time and soon Christmas. Yeah. So. So. All who never know flowers here? No. Only bloom one time flowers time.
Christmas flowers.
Say name?
Yeah, man.
So this are the Christmas flowers people. Only when Christmas it bloom. I people so see the jelly lemon here. Can't hardly see what go on because it's tree dark. So yeah man. They're not really big, but they can go with thing, you know? So I shake off for now. Alright people, so the main pick, you know, so this is 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, when I'm bridging forward, I link him and say my forward, so if not forward, I mean Chef will must go mash down them here, see me? Yeah. So put them right back here. I swear people pick 7 and one last from me. I don't know where you gone. I don't know where. You gone some of people. I don't know where you drop. You can agree even if you drop on some grass. I will drop in here and sink. Gone down, I'm not sure, but pick make 1 joke and 2 drop. I'm going to find 1. One day because some of I don't know where. Can't be there, man. Can't look no more. But look like I go blind or that's doubles or what. I don't know, but I said I go. So check him up, we don't know what I'm back over. Chef will not. So people see it here now. Yeah. Yellow and look seem like patty. And see for your people ready for your pot. It's me cool, well ready. So sardine was a no.
Yeah, you're going to pick that fire now.
And look 2 pepper same time. Natural pants and me pepper them. Nice
Yeah.
pepper. Nice sardine, huh? Was you fry pepper, you know? You would fry pepper, you know, so you can't kill a pepper.
Yeah.
You can smell it.
Yeah.
Pot gone and pan fire going hot. So a dumpling time no care if you need it do. Should I back for roll out it?
Yeah, but we not no back so we have to use we hand, you know.
It's pan him. If I'm cooking a guan for president. Go and bridge something for the camera. Yeah, run so. Butter. So a nice lunch.
Yeah.
So to eat this morning a peanut butter and bread.
Yeah.
Nothing else. Don't know so make it put grease, you know?
Yeah, original yard style.
I don't know so when time get that now. But I run now I'm gonna make it.
See that?
You start running already there?
Oh, style and pattern, you know.
Homemade sardine patty. Sardine for filling. Two of them should have sing together.
Yeah, man, I soon leave the apartment and bring him down, you know.
First one gone a pot. Show them how I go on. First one down. Chef, a nice island now.
Yeah.
Original coconut oil.
Yeah.
Tap the body night.
Mm.
Second one gone the pot. Maybe so. When we done make all the pot of them, I check him back down, you see me? Because I can see what go on now and see how you can make them for yourself. Yeah man, you can just even you can use mackerel make it. You can use
Bully beef.
bully beef. You can use cabbage, callaloo, pap chow, or whatever you want to use. You see me? Because they don't have veggie patty. You see me? So you can use whatever you want to use as a filling. Yeah. So I'm soon checking back with you now. The two gone pot already. So 4. See? So 5 of them. So we soon checking back with you now. So nice breeze blow right now. So nice cool Christmas breeze.
Show them all the pretty yak in a tree.
So my spin the camera and show them how I go on. Alright people, so lighting here man, see there. Enough there man pantry. So I don't know say enough for the firewood. You see me? Showing some different ways on you can cook ackee. Yeah man, yeah. So ackee there enough man people. The last one, yeah man, some of the different way. Like exactly like a patty I know.
It is chipping a macaron, man.
Alright. So next time you know exactly where I go now.
Yeah.
Alright people, so patty the one here. See it? It's almost done. It's almost done. That one I got it a while ago. Yeah man.
That make me really fatty.
Alright guys, so them 2 here are the 2 first one, you know. So you want so this, then this, then this, then this, then that. No, this last, yeah. Done nice. Them 2 here, 2 last one is nice. So I want to get the truth now people who are going, you know. So I can't wait for sure long. See how them look. 1, 2. So them pretty people look exactly like patty. Same color.
Yeah, man.
Like that, you know?
This.
Mm-hmm.
And then some hot.
I'm doing the first one, people.
Yeah. The real thing then now.
Okay, good. So I don't know people are from the flour cook. You don't see me.
Yeah, we are coming down now.
You don't know from Sardine. No, it's Sardine cook already, so the flour really you want to cook. And we have we gel them, we drink, and I see them in the meantime. And budget now comes, so you can't die. Chief man, chief here. Alright, so then don't know.
And cool, you know.
So if I ready to see him way. See what go on people.
Yeah.
And make sure when you squeeze the edges, you squeeze it down good because when you cook, it'll lift up. You see me? Like right, you see right so? Yeah. So shell down them here now, you know? Good the people. So you look good. Yeah man. Alright people, so sponge here. Yeah man, let's shell it down now. The damn patty. Alright people, so shell down something now. See what go on. Sharp body, you know?
What?
Then look meat 9 people. See? Child, I don't even know.
Man. I put stone there, man.
The little man.
Then sweet. Patty and jelly, you know.
My shoulder. No.
Original Frankie Wilmot.
People, when I live at them place here, can't hungry. If you Jamaica can't hungry, I say you want hungry. Cause when you do here so, Aki time you can pick to Aki. At bedfruit time you can pick bedfruit. Or it's not bedfruit time. Me bedfruit time waste cause I can't eat that bedfruit. Not bedfruit there, Aki there waste sometime. Cause enough. You can plant 2 banana, 2 plantain, 2 yam. Cause as I seen already before, I dig with a yam. Yeah. You man, you can, I see you are hungry on the Jamaica because nothing there. You can go to a river, look fish, look janga, crayfish. Yeah.
The only thing I want is something to make it soft. I'm more baking powder than I want.
Yeah. Jelly nice people you know say. Like come in jelly now. Like I'm drinking 3 jelly. I do a little more. Mint me can peep. Intermittent of cane. I drink. I want 2 jelly. I tell you problem. You know say what do you say sardine? And then I eat it. Aki, what do you eat? Aki. This is the bubble that look like oil night.
Yeah, man, the good.
Cook at oil.
Yeah.
Was not look cook at oil, but nice.
So we see that one on the side of the Aki patty. The squeeze one on the side of the...
A curry liver. Man check them until tomorrow also. So, people, second man this. And this become a lunch and dinner in one. So when I squeeze down because if I squeeze it down good, it will lift up. I'm showing something. So night mice, yeah man, it's a cookie. And I bake it. I bake it too much. I make the full inside suck out, it's not nice. Right now this inside mice are nice. See? Yeah man. I'm gonna dip my jelly. So people, I'm so link back on you, see me? Yeah man. Shut down this here. Yeah people, so me eat 2 and drink 2 jelly. It's the second one. I'm belly full. Yeah man, belly full. But you don't say we can't throw jelly because meat. Yeah man, can't throw because they say jelly meat good for man. I don't know what it is. Yeah man. I the same jelly with tuna. I think the Bible good for your back. So I love back problem.
Yeah.
1 jelly. Sinky Bible aloe vera and tuna. They are good. Some people just cut up it in some cube and put in jelly water and drink it and some blend it. Yeah, cause it bitter, you know. It bitter bad. So, check this out now. I need to meat. Alright, people, so we just done the patty, the homemade patty. Yeah, actually, it's nice, but it do want some more baking powder in it. But it's still nice same way. Only can try this at home. You see me?
So then we are taking with some curry, chicken foot and chicken neck.
You see what I'm with?
Yeah, we are saying, man.
Alright, so Chef will start cooking dinner right now here. Some curry, chicken foot, and chicken neck. Must see video. So only can look up with that in our next video. You see me? I'm not sure about it. If I drop a video, I'm not sure about. Yeah, man, I just see me. You see me? So only can stay tuned for that. Just subscribe to the channel, touch the bell. When you subscribe, it's a 3 option: all, personalize, and none. Click all. Every time I'm going to drop on our seat, you see me? So do that. I want to leave a comment on the video, share the video, and make sure so when you share it, when you tell them say subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, help me grow. When I said enough more videos forward, enough more adventures with that forward, you see me? Yeah, man, so you can subscribe. Right now, I'll be a cooking video forward, but we know soon I'm gonna bush and some more adventurous thing, you see me? So you can stay tuned for that. Yeah, man. See me right, so yeah. So follow me IG people. Link for his page them down below in the description. So just scroll along.
Show them how the fold cub and things.
Just scroll along, click it, and
Follow,
is it me?
The flowers place there.
Yeah, man. So soon come back.
Yeah.